Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to forward your Hostinger email to Gmail. So on my screen you can see I am already logged into my webmail account and we are going to forward this business email to Gmail. Now to forward, if I click on this settings icon, then all settings, on the left hand side we have all these options. If I click on connect apps and devices, then also I do not have option to forward this to Gmail. To forward this to Gmail, you have to directly log into your Hostinger main account. Okay, so this is the main Hostinger account, and this was the webmail account. So you have to directly log into your main Hostinger account. Once you are logged in, you have to click on emails. It's on the left hand side menu. Click on emails. On the right hand side, you will get a list of all the domains which are registered on your account, and after each and every domain you will find out this option mailboxes. Like uh, after this domain we have quota of one email, business email, and we have registered one business email here. And after this domain, like webunicorn.com, out of 100 emails quota, we have registered one email. So once you will find out your domain, you have to click on mailboxes. Once you will click on mailboxes, under the same domain name like this, you will find out the business emails which you have registered with this domain on that particular account. Okay, so we have this email here and we are going to forward this. So what you have to do, on the left hand side you will find out this option forwarders. Else what you can do, you can click on these three dots and click on create forwarders. Here you have to select the business email which you want to forward, and here you have to enter the account on which you want to forward your business email, like this. XYZ whatsoever you want to, like this. Okay, and then you can even select this option, save copies of forwarded emails. And once you will do this, you have to simply follow the instructions on your screen to verify each and everything, and after that you will be able to receive emails on your Gmail account from this business account. So this is what it takes to forward your business email to Gmail. So thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Bye bye, take care.